Experience luxury bedding with our California King Percale cotton sheet set, featuring vintage floral design. It comes in color options of burgundy and burgundy whisper, easy breezy and green. Designed specifically for California King mattresses measuring 72 by 84 inches, with deep 17.5-inch pockets and full elastic enclosure for secure fitting. The set includes a generously sized 108 by 102-inch flat sheet, complemented by 2 king pillowcases measuring 20 by 36 inches. Crafted from premium 100% percale weave cotton, this combed cotton construction features a high thread count that ensures exceptional quality. These sheets combine extra soft texture with fade-resistant properties and hypoallergenic benefits for a superior sleep experience. The breathable, skin-friendly fabric ensures comfortable rest throughout the night. Adorned with a sophisticated dark teal floral pattern, these sheets showcase a timeless classical style. Distinguished by elegant piping edges on the bottom sheet, the design captures a charming shabby vintage aesthetic. Engineered for year-round comfort, this sheet set delivers optimal breathability for hot sleepers, while maintaining cozy warmth during cooler months. These sheets maintain their quality through regular machine washing, featuring durable elastic edges and fade-resistant properties for long-lasting use. For further information, visit the product detail page.